Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Honda Jazz headlight. Park on level ground, switch off the ignition, open the bonnet, and locate the headlight assembly. Remove the trim clips or screws and unplug the electrical connector carefully. Twist out the old bulb or release the retaining clip, then fit the new bulb without touching the glass. Test the beam alignment and secure all clips before closing the bonnet. Gather a few tools before you start to save time and avoid frustration. You will need gloves, a flathead screwdriver, and a replacement H4 or H7 bulb, depending on the model. Check your owner's manual for exact bulb type and any special instructions. Keep a clean cloth to handle the new bulb and avoid oil on the glass. Work in daylight or use a bright torch for visibility for safety. Start by removing the headlight cover or trim to access the bulb securely. Disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the tab and pulling straight back without yanking. Release the retaining clip or twist the bulb counterclockwise depending on the holder design. Carefully extract the old bulb and inspect the socket for corrosion. Fit the new bulb into the socket, secure the clip, reconnect the plug, and briefly test the lights before reassembling the trim.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.